I'm gonna show you how you can earn money with Honeygain. So, Honeygain is basically an application where you can earn money, passive income, without you doing anything at all. It's just by leaving your computer on. Now, the way it gives you money is that when you leave your computer on, it shares traffic. So, it's basically something an internet do, right? So, if you leave your computer on, you just get money. The way you can do this is that you can go ahead and go to this website here, honeygain.com, and then you can go ahead and tap on whichever devices you have. I'm going to say Windows here. Now, on Windows, you can see it'll download the installation folder right there, right? Now, once it has installed, you can see I already have Honeygain installed right here, and you can see we're actually earning right now, right? So I left it on overnight, and right now I already have about $3.04, which is pretty good. And this is literally just how you earn. You just leave your computer on and forget about it.